guys still there? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? You guys still there?
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Another video. We're doing a rear diffuser for my car. We also got side diffusers as well. They just came in a couple months ago. Thing about me, I don't like to do my parts as soon as I get them. I like to let them ferment and collect dust in my room before I actually put them on there. So now it's been 5 months. It's about time for me to put them on. And then after this, Hector's gonna be doing his exhaust. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on that, but Hector, you can go fuck yourself. I didn't say anything, dude. I didn't say anything. No, I didn't say what you thought I said. But. So, we got full crew going on here. We got me, Jesse's behind the camera. We got Bruce, we got Aaron, and then we got Hector. We do have one more guy coming. But yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get this all started. So.
What was that?
This is the sound of my people.
You're doing a good job.
Rejoice, everyone. Word of the Lord, amen.
That's
Alright, so we got the beginning parts of it on there. We just need to bolt it down some more, and then it comes in like multiple pieces. So it has like these right here is for the exhaust. So it'd be like that right there. But we're like deciding, you know, how to do it still. I think that'll be the right way. So the only problem with all this is that it comes with directions, obviously, but the problem is that it doesn't come with clear enough instructions. Yeah, it's not really narrow, or like it's not like to the T or anything like that, but they do explain that it's going to be different with all the processes, because it's basically up to the driver or to the owner of the car to set it up how they like. But I mean, we're coming to the part where we're mocking it up and it was like fitting just right, but then at the same time we take it off and then we put it back on again and it just won't fit right. So we might have to do some modifications, we might have to do something to it, but I mean, we're knocking it out. So yeah, I mean we'll update you, I guess. I don't know.
So I'm taking over commentary for a quick second.
Here for you to do it.
Just got the main plate for it. If these guys can figure it out.
Figure what out?
I'm fucking trying here, okay? I'm fucking trying. Oh.
I got it in that little baby hole.
Alright, you go ahead and just fucking trim it, bud. Oh, hell yeah.
Sent. Oh yeah.
So yeah, so we're getting the first little canards back on here. And then
Fucking hell yeah,
first one's on.
Oof.
May take the light off because it's hard to see it.
So we got started.
That's the first start, and then the ones on the back. Let's see, you can kind of see that. It's hard to see it in this camera, but
Yeah, the camera should be a little light.
yeah. We'll see how it goes with the rest of it.
I mean, we can only do as much as pray, right?
Yep.
Alright guys, so we finally got it done. Looks pretty sick. I mean, I'm pretty happy, pretty stoked. We did have to cut the back parts a little bit, but that's just because I got the exhaust, you can see it right there. And then the same on that side right there. But I mean, fitment wise, look wise, super aggressive. I freaking love it. We just got to do a little side pieces, these things right here. And so, hold on, which side? So like right here. You want to hold that, Bruce?
Yep.
So like, oh wait, hold on, I'll move the body a little. So like that, they go like right there. And so it's just gonna add to the look, make it look more aggressive, and it's gonna look super awesome. And then we got the side diffusers over here, which I haven't showed you guys yet. So they go the length of the car all the way down, and then they have this little shark fin looking thing right here. So it's gonna be sweet. This is gonna be probably like 1.5 inches off this fender, not the fender, the side skirt. So it's gonna look super amazing. It should be pretty easy. It's just a whole bunch of self-tappers and some washers. So yeah, it should be good. All right guys, so we finally got it on and this thing is looking sick as shit. Hold on. Look at that. It's nice. Most of the guys, they run it a lot out wide, but I want to run it more conservative. And I think it looks a lot better, but we tightened it up all along the bottom. But yeah, this thing is going to look nice. Holy crap. Next thing I got coming for it is wheels. The wheels I want are on back order, so I'm kind of in a dilemma right now where I get the ones, I wait, get the ones on back order, or I just sacrifice the ones I want to get and just get ones that are another good set. But yeah, so yeah, probably next for my car will probably be some coilovers, some wheels, some tires. But yeah, I mean, now we're working on the sides. And so, what the fuck are you guys doing? No, you guys, yeah, it goes like that. Yeah, it goes like this, boys. There you go.
I got you, all right, don't gotta yell at me.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, just enough for that.
All right, so we got the sides on, and they look sick as shit. The only problem is because I actually don't have side skirts for the car, and it kind of like bends, but I mean, I'm fine with it. But I mean, this whole car, the whole side profile of this thing is just sick as. How's it look over there, Jesse?
Pretty good.
Oof. Dude, this thing is gonna be fucking sexy. Yeah, like that's my thing. Like it goes like body line of the car. Yeah. Yeah. Aaron, seal of approval. A++.
They don't got canners. Go with it.
Cannards. Okay, guys, it's cold start time.
What?
I saved a surprise for everyone. Saved a surprise. Fucking bam. Bam. So I can get my babes. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Making tasteful mods one day at a time, right boys? Alright, so we're all gonna go and eat right now, so good night.